Good morning, friends. In this video, we will know about what is AutoCAD, what are usage of AutoCAD, and life before AutoCAD. Let's start video. What is AutoCAD? AutoCAD stands for Automatic Computer Aided Design. And what is AutoCAD? AutoCAD is a commercial software application used for draft 2D dimensional and 3-dimensional models with the aid of computer. What is usage of AutoCAD? It is used for number of applications like creating blueprints for buildings, bridges, computer chips, machinery parts, and even more. AutoCAD software allows users to conceptualize ideas, produce designs, drawings to required levels of technical accuracy, and even perform rapid design calculations across a wide range of industry. Many professions require the usage of AutoCAD, such as architects. Architects use AutoCAD for design residentials, home, office buildings, commercial developments, and landscapes. For interior design, to design interior for home, we are using AutoCAD. Interior designs use AutoCAD create detailed image of interior spaces and include furniture and other indoor environments. For civil engineers, use AutoCAD for RCC detailing, detailed drawings of buildings, bridges, road, tunnels, and other structures common in the built environment. For mechanical engineers, use AutoCAD to plan entire manufacturing process or create prototypes for the finished product. Life before AutoCAD. What is life before AutoCAD? Before AutoCAD, another drafting software, engineers' drawings were made on sheets of papers using drawings boards. Many types of equipments were required to complete a given drawing, such as drawing board, different grade pencils, erasers, T-squares, and set squares, etc. Drafting was time consuming. Designing and putting everything on paper was tough job. Maybe that's why the need of creation of AutoCAD software came up. The major disadvantage of paper-based design was that you cannot actually change it after it's put on the paper. See, this is some pictures showing how they works before coming AutoCAD. This was one drawing of aircraft wings. Image was taken. I think Boeing engineers designing aircraft wings on paper. You can see how they are making the drawings of wings of aircraft. This is too hard working. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.